Hello guys, welcome. Is this girl here? Tim. Today, I'm sorry that I haven't been on. I'm sorry I haven't been on lately. Today, I'm going to do favorite for August and some unpacking the video. Click the like button, subscribe. Okay, let's first do the favorites. We got this color. I love this color. It's showing blue. It's blue. It's like I love this color. And another one is how much I love this color. I love to wear this color. And I love brown. This brown. It's got color is like and brown. That. This is like a love this pretty more pink, like tone pink. That color, my favorite. Another one, same thing. My favorite. But one I would. This is like a weird one. It's like brown undertone. I don't like the word black. It's not my favorite to black because I love like black because it's like more like glitter in it. It's probably weird. My favorite color. And then this one like blue undertone weird color and not my favorite. It's probably not my favorite. Love this color orange as every note is October coming up and Halloween coming up. Orange that color. Right. Another brown. And this one I got, this is Revlon red. I love the color, the black and red, it's beautiful, my favorite. Not my favorite. Well, I got a lot of favorites, and so now let's get to the package. This is like on Amazon. And I was in a minute what it was. What it was. Oh, this is for my cat. It's from Japan. This is from Japanese. It's like a little old book. Weird. I got my cat. Come here. This is my cat. She loved this kind of ball that feathers in it. But it's sometimes weird. It's got, it did not show in the picture, but it's not a problem, but it's got, look, it's yours. It's yours. But that's all I see. It did not show. I thought it would be like a little plastic ball, a big plastic ball. There's one. And that's all in the video today. I hope I will soon video button, bell, and great day. Today's birthday of fall. Some places still summer. You want to say hi? Say hi. Say hi. Hey. Good. Want to say hi? Good. Then you get up.